Hey everyone! First of all, I want to apologize for not being as active recently as I would have liked. Things have been a little hectic behind the scenes here at Syncing AI, with plenty going on and a fair bit of drama. But thankfully, that's all behind us now, and I'm back! Over the next few weeks, you can expect a lot more tutorials, updates, and regular content coming your way. Today, I wanted to bring you a quick update because OpenArt has just released Nano Banana 2 Lite. It's honestly incredible how quickly AI is evolving. It feels like every single day there's something new, and the quality of AI-generated images is reaching a point where it's becoming genuinely difficult to tell the difference between what's real and what's AI. On screen now, you'll see a selection of images I generated using Nano Banana 2 Lite. Just take a look at the quality, the sharpness, the lighting, the depth, the shadows, the colors, and the overall level of detail. It's seriously impressive, and it's amazing to see how far this technology has come in such a short space of time. With Nano Banana 2 Lite, you can create incredibly realistic characters, cinematic scenes, short films, music videos, pretty much anything you can imagine. AI has reached a point where the creative possibilities are almost limitless, and it's exciting to see where it's heading. This isn't a full tutorial, it's just a quick update to let you know about this latest release. But don't worry, a full tutorial is coming very soon, I promise. If you'd like to give Nano Banana 2 Lite a try for yourself, be sure to check out the links in the description below and create an account. I genuinely think you're going to be impressed by what it can do. Anyway, guys, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. And thank you all so much for your continued support. I've genuinely missed making content for you all, and I appreciate everyone who's stuck around while things have been quiet. I love you all, and I promise I'll be back with regular tutorials and videos very soon. Take care, and I hope you all have an amazing rest of your day.